It has Daewoo Lanos 2001 year. It has true screwdriver, true three matice. One down there is one, down there is a two, and here is a three. Wait a minute. Here it is a three. Just screw it, and that's it. Pull out the jack. Jack it's here. This up, or dignete gore, and pull it out slowly because it is. And this is going out. When you screw the third one, it's all go out. Look at this. And when you do this, it's going like this. And this I already pull it out from the sječice, we call it in Croatia. And just this. It's going hard, but I pull it already. This is all bobina. And now you just buy the new one. Just a minute to zoom it. Here and here. And this is it for Daewoo Lanos 2001. I must clean it from the dirt. That's all, folks.